appreciate everybody hopping on today for our webinar on how to use video and Facebook ads for your business. My name is Bill Combs. I've been in the industry supporting the roofing industry for well over 20 years now.
You know, I'm a video marketer. I'm the founder and CEO of CM Narrative, which is a video marketing agency. Bill and I linked up this year and started to do a video ad campaign on Facebook. A lot of the things today that you're going to learn are easily implementable immediately. Ad content, this is where you are talking directly to who you're trying to sell to, addressing their struggles and talking emotionally to them in 30 seconds. Branded content, it's all about the people, the location, you know, what makes this project special. Tell a story. It's social proof or testimonials is such a powerful asset that you can lace in to your video marketing campaign that just takes your content to a whole nother level. A cool way to create depth is through drone shots, how you can turn your team into a media goldmine. You have sales managers who are out and about in the field, in the projects, talking to people, and they are a walking media machine. Everyone has a powerful camera in their pocket. Once you start to understand that process, there's a formula to it. And so, and that formula just takes practice to master.
What do you do with the video? There are 3 things with an ads manager that you need to know about. Campaign is the type of ad set is the audience and budget, and 3, the ad itself, the creative. 80 to 85% of our work is done within these types of Facebook campaigns.
The magic is you match these audiences, kind of what you're talking about, the gender, the age, everything, profession, where they're living, and you match that to the messaging that you incorporate in the video. And then when those things match, that's where the gold is.
Your goal is to pick one and begin to build out a 2, 3, 4 month, year-long plan as to how all of these little ad types are going to work together. What types of audiences are? We looked at custom audience. There is a lookalike audience, which target people that are similar to the audience that you already created. This is where the pixel comes in. I mentioned that you have the pixel installed. And then saved audiences. So I want to create an audience of people that know nothing about my company. Think about it if you run a television commercial now or any other kind of advertising. It's so hard to do that and get it narrowed down. And with this type of system, when you really build it out, you get excited about it, you get fired up about it, you're in the various neighborhoods, you're working with customers, you're getting the testimonials, now you're running these hyper-targeted ads. Over the past few years working with Derek at Arnett, we've 606 leads turned into 50 paid jobs. Those 50 paid jobs turned into roughly $250,000 in net profit. We're here to support you, so reach out. Thank you, and with that, we'll go ahead and wrap it up. All right,
Thank you.
Take care. Bye.